We're finally on our way! And good morning. So we are taking the weekend and going up to Sarnia or around that area.
We're actually going to somewhere called Petrolia, which I've never heard of before.
Sorry, Petrolia. It is like 30 minutes outside of Sarnia, which is the biggest city. We have a cabin booked there that is out in the wilderness or something. Very excited. Half an hour to our 26 minutes to our destination. And what do we say happens when we go on a getaway or vacation? What do we say, Tia?
The rain follows us everywhere. It was so bright.
Pretty darn sure these guys here are storm clouds. We're not even there yet. And yes, take a look at these fall colors. And those fall colors. Tia is trying to be a director. She brought the rain, this one.
It's not me.
But we're almost there. However, we do need to pick up drinks first. Oh my god, I'm really zoomed in.
So zoomed in.
Because I was trying to get the clouds. We've just turned on to a small side country road where, we're almost there in 3 minutes. There's some instructions on where to park, but we're almost there. We're here. So our Airbnb should be right past that woodshed over there. The hosts have provided us with a little umbrella because it was raining earlier. Yeah, we're just going to load up and walk in. Let's go.
Upon arrival, the host had a wagon available for us to pack all of our gear into and head over to the cabin. To actually get to the cabin, it was a quick short-minute walk through a scenic wooded area. Although the cabin is on their property, you really feel like you're secluded and alone because it is so far away from the main house. As you can see, it is super cute, and we could not wait to spend our entire weekend just hanging out and relaxing.
Good morning. This is the most unprepared we have ever been for a trip. Thank God it's a very relaxed glamping experience because we didn't even bring toothpaste.
In our defense, we had to rushedly get our
Rushedly?
It's a word. We had to rushedly get our house staged, which means that we've been living at my parents' house for the past week.
So yeah, remember that bin from this video that we talked about? Yeah, it's packed away somewhere and we weren't able to get to it, and thus we were super unprepared. But the cabin is amazing. We basically didn't need to bring anything, but we do need toothpaste because let's be frank, we're standing this far apart because her breath is horrible and so is mine. So yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart and grab some toothpaste and some coffee. Catch you later.
Hey guys, it's almost 10 a.m. so we just got back from heading into town. As Andy mentioned, we forgot toothpaste, so we had to go get some. But we're back at the cabin and we're basically planning on spending the whole day here, just kind of hanging out, relaxing. We've got some product reviews that we're gonna be filming today for you. But basically, like, this is gonna be just a nice chill weekend for us after a hectic month of dealing with selling and buying houses. Andy's getting the campfire going. So we've got this cute little campfire area here. You can see we've got a whole stack of wood that's just specifically for us. There's even a hammock there. We haven't tried it out because it was wet yesterday. And we've got some Muskoka chairs, some tree stumps that we can put stuff on. They even left us an axe or a hatchet to chop some wood. And for nighttime, we've got tiki torches. You can see one burning right there. Andy just blew it out. I don't know why.
If we burn it all day, we're not gonna have any for night.
And then
we have no fuel.
And we also have these citronella tins as well that the Airbnb hosts left behind for us. So
yeah, don't need them right now because it's so cold. There's very little bugs. This is literally the perfect time to come out and enjoy the outside. No bugs, get a campfire going, and you'll be nice and toasty right beside it. So, why is it that watching paint dry is an expression for time taking forever, but watching wood burn is a expression for time flies fast? Because it's 11:30 and all we've done really is sit here and watch the fire go, and it actually flew by and now we're starving. So let's go find what Tia is up to. Whew, dizzy.
All right, brunch time. I've got a flipper, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. What do you think we're making? Andy's favorite, bacon and eggs. Lots of bacon and eggs. So in this cabin, there's no cooking inside. It's pretty tiny in there, as you probably saw. So the kitchen is actually outside, and the host has a really, really great setup. They've got a metal table here. We've got a propane barbecue that we can use. And they've also provided us with a charcoal barbecue, which apparently makes things really nice and smoky. We might actually try this later when we make dinner, but because we're making bacon and eggs, we're going to use the propane barbecue. Now underneath, you'll also see they've provided us with a whole bin of cooking things. So we've got pots and pans, bowls, cutting boards, all in here. We have another cooking
device here if we wanted to put pots on this and kind of heat things up. We've got sticks for the fire. And they actually also gave us 2 jugs of water. Now, all of the water that they've provided is potable. These 2 though are not ice cold. They've given us a jug over there. And that one is ice cold water. But if we run out of water there, we can drink this water too. So these guys are super prepared. This cabin is just absolutely fantastic and we are loving it. What's wrong?
The barbecue doesn't seem to get up to 400 degrees, which is what I would like it to be, but it's actually...
I think because it's partially open there. Like, here, lift. Can the fire go higher?
Nope, that's it.
Well, we'll have cooked bacon eventually.
Yeah, worst case scenario.
Put it on the fire. Actually, we could just throw it on the fire now.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
It's more to clean. The grate is not exactly clean.
We did not break the lens.
Did we?
Thank God we did not break the lens.
When you said that, I thought it was like a rhetorical, like, we did not break the
No,
lens.
it's not broken.
Okay.
You just do it while I go. Oh man, that would have sucked. Okay, all we have is...
Although we do have a backup. Like, we'll need to walk closer and further away and adjust this thing, and we don't have replacement batteries. It has to be charged, but at least we'll get something.
We have the camera though. It's fine. It's working. We need to put some tinfoil on this.
Thank God. But she's cooking.
I'm cooking.
She's cooking.
Bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs.
Our staple meal.
I love bacon and eggs.
So simple, but so delicious.
Are we done yet?
The eggs are not quite cooked yet. It's hard without a lid. Almost there. Got our bacon cooked to various degrees. And because it's brunch, we don't have mimosas, but we have extra spicy Caesars. And brunch is served. There's no toast though. We forgot to buy toast. Yep, time to eat. Let's go. Can you grab my drink? Okay, Andy, are we eating at the picnic table or at the campfire?
Are you seriously asking this question?
Yeah, I don't know why I ask.
Food cooked by the campfire is never like your best. Your best. Look at that. Like, Tia never breaks eggs like this. It's a little burnt, but it is just so tasty when you cook it outside for some reason.
Apart from bacon and eggs, one thing we obviously also really like is coffee. And Andy's obsessed with making coffees different ways. And at this Airbnb, he found whatever this thing is called.
It's called a mocha pot.
A mocha pot.
So it's kind of like Greek coffee, actually. What you do is there's a little container on the bottom. You fill it with coffee, and it sits on top of that reservoir on the bottom. You fill it with water. When you boil it, it forces the steaming hot water up in through the coffee into the upper pot, and that's how you brew the coffee. I've always wanted to try this, so that was a great bonus.
There's also pour over coffee.
Yeah, there's also that. which I'll probably do in the morning. But right now, I just want to play with this.
And as per usual, he's making it right by the campfire.
The rest of our day was spent filming product reviews and relaxing by the fire. We got to review quite a few products from 3 amazing companies, including Trekology, Unigear, and Mengrels. If you're interested in checking out any of those product reviews, check our YouTube page under our product review playlist, or check the links in this video and they'll take you right there. We'll also be posting a review of this cabin if you want to learn a little bit more about everything it comes with and the entire experience. Last but not least, if you like our content and you want to see more of it, including travel vlogs, gear reviews, and really anything adventurous, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and click the bell to get notified of all of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Tia and Andy out.